Jameer, you just told her. So how was she lying?
Because I was right. And she was lying. And so they was lying. And she like,
No,
get our money.
you was lying.
No, you lying.
You lying because you told me you took it already.
No.
You told me that.
Man, what?
I want you to
I
know.
go down.
You told me you took it, Jameer. You don't get nothing.
Now.
Don't get mad. You lied. You lied. That's your fault. You shouldn't have took it without asking. See, Erica, look. He told me he took it. He told me he took it already, and now he want to lie. He want to be a liar. Sade didn't do anything.
Man, what? I go.
Sade didn't do anything. Sade did nothing. Jameer went in there. He took it. He went in his room and put it in his book bag. Yep.
I love gravy cheese.
Oh, they stole my money, girl. You look black as shit on here.
Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful.
I'm supposed to get in there so I can get my Barbie.
What?
Tell him to unlock the door.
Hey!
Huh?
Tell him to unlock the door.
I didn't even
Jameer,
know.
unlock
You were
the
on the
door.
phone. I was distracted.
He said no.
How's it going?
How we gonna
Jameer,
do it?
unlock that door if I call mommy.
I'm alright. You know, I'm gonna be up there this summer.
Don't be a liar. I locked this door. One more time, I will still lock it. I'm just gonna get my Barbie.
Ready for my voice.
Where have you put
Liar.
my Barbie down?
That's alright.
Miss me hello.
They will. They'll know who
Hello.
you are.
You fell.
They
You
probably
fell like
don't
this.
know you, but they'll know oh.
That's why I go lock the door. Stop. See? Stop.
Yay! I'm gonna wear.
Man, what? No.
Go to your door.
Don't mess up like me again.
Don't go
Before I hit you with this. And I would put you.
You need to ask somebody.
Man, what? Stop it right now.
Because you don't remember.
Man, what? Sure. Jasmine.
Get off me, Jameer.
Jasmine, you want? Jasmine. 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 No. Jasmine, you want me to squirt him? That man goes back. You want me to squirt him when you come out? I'm gonna do.
Jameer, mommy here. Oh, she is.
Walk up.
Mommy here.
Wait. Walk up.
Stop it, you like. You too. Hey,
Jameer, get off of me.
see, that's for you. That's just lying.
My money up.
You lying.
Yeah, I'm counting.
Man, what? Today. Today, look, put your minute.
Jameer, get off my shirt.
Then stop.